Garbage in, garbage out. Business owners themselves are quite limited in their thinking. AI cannot replace a consultant. This is how you should be going across. Branding is not about what you're feeding into an AI. Branding is about
जो एक नया दौर चल रहा है एआई का, मैंने देखा है कि काफ़ी सारे ब्रांड कंसल्टेंट हैं जो एआई के साथ में compete किया जा रहा है, उनको कंपेयर किया जा रहा है कि लाइक with AI we can have a vision statement, we can have a mission statement, we can create the entire brand guideline using just ChatGPT पर एक prompt. So आपको क्या लगता है कि ऐसा क्या चीज़ है जो एक ब्रांड स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट और ChatGPT को एक अलग कर देता है?
Garbage in, garbage out. So you have AI, it requires prompts. What you feed it, it will give you output based on that.
Right.
And the internet. Branding is not about what you're feeding into an AI. Branding is about understanding the business, the people, entire ecosystem that you have built, right? Abhi AI cannot do that right now.
Right.
But when we are doing branding work, when we are doing strategy work, we are actually interviewing the founders or the MDs or the chairman, the board of directors. We are talking to the people, sales guys. We are talking to the manufacturing, the operations people. We are talking to people who have been the oldest in the company, newest in the company. So we are talking to all of these people and understand people will say one thing, but their body language tells you a lot more.
Right.
Right. So when I'm talking to you, you will look at me and you will realize whether what I'm saying is 100% true or there is a little bit of idhar-udhar in that.
Right.
So an AI cannot catch at this point in time.
Right.
Even if it catches it, how will it know what it means?
Right.
And then ask an alternative question. So at this point in time, today, AI cannot replace a consultant, a brand consultant.
Right.
It can enhance their work.
Yes, it can help the brand consultant, but not to a business owners.
It can even help a business owner. The reason why you're going to the consultant is because you don't know yourself.
Right.
And you don't know how to put it all together.
Right.
A vision statement doesn't put it all together for you.
Right.
What a vision statement does, it tells you where you want to go. Right. But a brand consultant will take you through the entire process and put you through saying, okay, यहाँ से आपको यहाँ पहुँचना है. This is the roadmap plan.
Right.
This is how you should be going across. कुछ भी बीच में आ गया, that person is able to show you how to navigate that. Right. AI can only do what you tell it to do.
Right. And even AI cannot keep a track of entire activities that is happening within the business.
Correct.
And उस पर feedback देना and all those stuff.
Yeah. So the experience that the brand consultant will have, and I'll give you this with an example. So a lot of times businesses do things naturally. You run a business, you will cater to your clients in a natural way that benefits the client.
Right.
But you never document it.
Right.
You don't know that you're doing that. Client gets the benefit, feels good, comes back to you again for the next order. Right? But you are already doing certain things in service, which you're not talking about. Because for you, you're taking it for granted.
Right.
But for the client, there is value in it. Right? And that's the reason why they're choosing you over your competitor. Right? All of this, how will AI know unless you feed that in?
और कहीं ना कहीं पर AI ना आपके प्रॉम्प्ट को लेकर ही रिस्पॉन्स देता है. जैसे अगर आप बोलेंगे कि मेरा फेवरेट कलर रेड कलर है, तो आपको 10 रीजन बता देगा कि आपके लोगों का कलर रेड ही क्यों होना चाहिए, दूसरा क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए.
Correct. So I mean, you're looking for a point of view that is not your own, and you're looking for expanding your mindset and your business, right? And a lot of times business owners themselves are quite limited in their thinking. So it is very difficult for AI to replace a human who has had that experience in consulting and in strategy and brand building.